Yep, handle broke. Hopefully just a couple screwdrivers. We'll see. As it comes apart, the shell and the inner, I'll show you. Yep, here's these clips. Oh shit, that broke. Let's see. One screw. Helps if you have a magnetic tipped screwdriver. I don't believe this one is. Or maybe one that's actually longer than this. Just if you use the electronic one, but I didn't do that either. I wanted to show you that it's simple. Oop, this one's a bigger screw. See, the bigger one. Okay, it's off. Pick up the screw I dropped. Oh, the big one in here has to come out too. It's another big one. Okay. Big one. Big one. Regular. 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 And the last regular. It's hard to stand this one up. I'll screw down a little bit. Now we tighten them up. I'm going to tighten the big ones first. They seem to be the most important. I think the big ones help hold the door panel to the door, the big panel. This part. 4 little ones hold the inside handle pull to the big door panel. Now I got 4 of these little clips that slide on the tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they line up to the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I can count 2. And then this one here goes in the top part. No, it's not perfect. It's Chinesium, but Chinesium is better than broken Americanism. Anyways, truck's 18 years old. What do you want? Stuff breaks. All you needed was a flat and a Phillips. And 10 minutes. Anyways, cool. Got it for under 20 bucks on the, e-water site, eBay, whatever you call it. It's gonna work. It's not broken today. Yippee-yay. No one has to get hurt pulling that off of there. See? It broke there, 3 pieces. Throw that in the recycle bin. Adios.